Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi everyone, good morning, nice to meet you. This is Sijan. I am a student of Sherpur College and I live at Goripur in Sherpur. My father name is Mohammad Ghulam Mustafa, he is a school teacher, and my mother name is Sheena Parveen, she is a homemaker. My family consists of 4 members, my father, my mother, my little sister Nabiha and me. I like honest people and I dislike dishonest people. I wanna be an engineer in my life in future. So that's all. Thank you everyone.